This is a redesign of the Everyday Math online games website using Vygotsky's constructivism. I focus on four main concepts, including the zone of proximal development, more knowledgeable other, scaffolding, and social learning. Currently, the Everyday Math online website allows students to work on grade 3 concepts if they are in the 3rd grade. Therefore, if the concepts are too hard, the students cannot go to an easier level, and if the concepts are too easy, they cannot go to a harder level. Each student logs into the website and their activity can be tracked by a teacher. However, the teacher cannot help the student. If the students get questions wrong, they just get a low score on the game and the skill does not get taught to them. It's a waste of time for students to click through a game without practicing the math skills. Teachers have no way of knowing what skills need to be reinforced or retaught, just the scores of the game. Zone of proximal development. A constructivist would make sure that the students are working within their zone of proximal development. Students wouldn't be able to choose games that they don't have the knowledge and skills to complete. When students choose a game, they will be prompted to answer a few questions as a pretest to determine the level that students can work at their own. This is important because it helps determine their independent problem-solving skills and determine the level of potential development. The more knowledgeable other Miko will help students as they play the games. It will also allow the student to work with another person as they complete each problem. Miko will observe the results and inform the student if he is noticing any patterns with the student's answers. He will also be available to answer any questions. In order to make sure that students are working at a level that is developmentally appropriate as they answer the questions, the level of difficulty will be scaffolded according to their needs. If students keep getting questions wrong, Miko will step in to provide other visualizations and explanations. This can help students get questions right and provide some extra information that is needed. The questions will also get easier. As students master these skills, Miko will pull back and allow the student to continue working. If the student is getting all of the questions correct, Miko will make the questions harder and provide support only when needed. This will really individualize the game and provide students with a unique experience every single time they play the game. That way, they will really get the help that they need and will be given enough space to work to their potential. However, they won't be given too much space to make this activity a waste of time. After students finish the game, they will submit a tip or a strategy that they use to solve the problems. Students will be able to scroll through other students' responses to learn from others. This will also help them establish a community of learners and provide students with the opportunity to become the more knowledgeable other. The way that the data is currently collected will be changed. Instead of just the number of questions correct, and the amount of time it took, the teacher should be able to see what areas the student need help on. Addition is too broad of a topic. Do students need help on regrouping, or do students need help on adding certain digits or lining up addition problems? Teachers will also see how much support Miko provided, and data will be used to actually drive instruction and inform the more knowledgeable other in scaffolding the student in the class and during homework. With these changes to the Everyday Math online games website, the games will actually serve a purpose in helping to instruct the teacher and helping to instruct the students. It won't just be a waste of time, and it'll make learning fun.